Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an awesome project. This fender here, I made 35 years ago. It's a 1981 Honda Civic fender. I had chrome plated and put a clock in it. What we're going to do is we're going to create an LED project on this. I'll show you how I did it, and I'll give you links to Amazon for the best LED lights out there. So let's get right into this. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to protect the chrome so it didn't get scratched. So put some towels down, but this fender has to be clean, preferably with alcohol. You got paper towel soaked with 99% alcohol. Okay, we're gonna have problems here. I can't go right to the bottom here because I have to leave this infrared sensor plugged in here and down here a bit. And I don't want this black wire hanging down. I want a white or a clear wire hanging down to the receptacle. So running this up here, you run up here, do a loop, run across there, do a loop, run down here, and cut off there. And that should work. Let's get started. Well guys, there's some missing footage because what happened was, when I took the toothpaste tape off, all the toothpaste tape came off the LED strip. All the tape came off it. I thought everything was lost. So what I did was, I just got some clear tape, and I taped the entire in spots, not where the LEDs, where the joins are. Just put tapes in there, and it worked. It held in place. I didn't need the toothpaste tape on waterproof LED strip. So let's hang this on the wall and see what it looks like. Okay, so now that LEDs are all installed with Scotch tape, I'm going to stick this on the wall. Plug it in. It works. It works. I'll put links in the description below where to get LED lights from. If you're going to get LED lights, get waterproof. They're more versatile. You don't have to worry about mounting on metal or anywhere damp. Don't get anything but waterproof LED lights. I think it looks pretty cool. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.